I'm so excited. I am so excited. I got the goods. I got the original because, you know, you gotta have the original. And then we got both the original and the spicy. Let's get into it. Let's start with the original because, hello, we have to give it a fair chance. And I'm actually gonna cover my chest because we don't need a lituation happening. Let me just remind myself. Excuse me here. We're getting down to it. Amazing. Amazing. Okay, let's do the Popeyes. Let's do original first. Or they call theirs classic. Woo! Okay. Dang, there's like a legit pickle on there, and it's like some white sauce. Mmm. Yum. Oh my God! Y'all. Oh. Dang. Okay. Oh my God. It's so good. It's so good. I live right by a Popeyes. I want more. I want more. I want to go back for more. Popeyes, you did the thing, girl. You did the thing. That lady from the commercial can cook. Okay, so this one is the spicy. Man, that thing really has me like feeding. Like, ooh. Okay, so this is the spicy. This one doesn't look like it has the white sauce on it. It looks like it has like a, I don't know, like a Thousand Island or something, but it's got the pickle there. Okay. The bun is buttery, soft, spectacular, a little bit sweet. This is on point. It's tender. Chick-fil-A, you got a problem on your hands. Mmm. We're going back to the original. I'm sorry, not the original. No, we're not going back to the original. We're not going back to the original. We're not going back to the original ever. The Popeyes Classic. That's the girl. That's the bad girl. She's bad. Oh. Oh my God, yes. Oh my God. How can I describe it? Chick-fil-A, that sandwich is Britney Spears. But Popeyes is Ariana Grande. She's now. We want her. Britney, you know, she's good. We like Britney. We always go back to some music, a bop here and there. But right now, put on that Ariana Grande. I want the Popeyes. Go try it. Go ruin your diet like me. Be like me. That was amazing. No, it's not what I usually do, as far as you know. But it is. Go try it out. I want to know, what do you think? Chick-fil-A or Popeyes?